In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect TradingView to Oanda. By the end, you'll have TradingView and Oanda talking to each other so you can analyze charts and place trades from one screen. Start by going to your TradingView chart. If you're on the home page, open your chart layout so you can see a live chart with your tools and watch list. Any symbol will do. This puts you in the right place to link a broker because TradingView's broker connections live inside the chart workspace. Next, look along the bottom of the chart for the trading panel. If you don't see it, it may be collapsed. Hover near the lower edge or scroll down slightly and click Trading Panel to open it. This section is where TradingView lists supported brokers and paper trading options. It's separate from your chart indicators and drawing tools, so make sure you're in the panel view, not the data window or strategy tester. In the trading panel, use the search or filter box and type Oanda. Typing the name helps you quickly narrow down the list instead of scrolling. You should see Oanda appear as a connectable broker. If it doesn't show up, it could be due to regional availability or account type restrictions. In that case, make sure TradingView is updated and that your Oanda account is supported in your country. Click on Oanda in the list to open its broker card. This brings up a brief description and the option to link your account. Confirm it's the official Oanda connector and not a similarly named tool or paper trading module. Then click Connect. TradingView will open a secure window from Oanda to complete the authorization. Follow the on-screen prompts there. Depending on your setup, you may be asked to choose between a live or a practice account. It's always a good idea to connect a practice account first if you're testing your workflow. If nothing happens when you click Connect, check your browser's pop-up blocker and allow TradingView to open new windows, then try again. Once the connection completes, you'll see Oanda listed as connected in the trading panel, and TradingView will show your account details such as balance and the order panel tied to Oanda. From here, you can place orders directly from the chart, manage positions, and monitor executions in real time. If anything looks off, refresh the chart tab to sync the connection and confirm you selected the correct account type. That's it. Go to your chart, open the trading panel, type Oanda, select it, and click Connect. You're now ready to trade on Oanda from inside TradingView.